I'm Martin Ebert of Mackenzie & Ebert. We design and redesign courses all over the world, but this is maybe one of the most special places we ever work. New 7th hole at Turnberry on the Ailsa Course, I think will be the equal of any of the holes on the existing course, and there's so many good ones already. But I have to give Eric Trump a lot of credit, to make the decision to move the second part of the hole over to the coastline, have this green right by the beach. It was inspired, absolutely inspired. We were so lucky that he came along about a couple of weeks ago and he looked at the work in progress. Again, he just sort of said, let's lower everything, let's get the intimacy with the ocean and the beach as close as possible. So that's been achieved now. The green is pretty much ready to be turfed, so everything will be finished before Christmas. Then the growing will begin and the new hole will open in May. So tremendously exciting. I didn't think Turnberry could get much better, but this hole will certainly ensure that it gets even more plaudits than it did before. One of the huge benefits of this whole project is that the 8th hole becomes even better. The tees move inland, but the line of play for the 8th will be much better than it used to be. You'll see the whole hole in front of you, and the tee shot plays right up the valley. We've got a new bunker going in on the left, so the landing area will be protected by 3 bunkers. It really will be an even better hole than it was before. So hopefully all of you golfers, you'll really want to come and play these new holes, experience the Ailsa, which is even better than it was before. From May onwards, these holes will be ready and in play. So welcome, and please enjoy what is going to be delivered for you.